Hello, friends. Welcome to VS Commerce Learning. Let us discuss the concept of not for profit organizations with the help of MindMap. What do you mean by not for profit organizations? These are also known as non profit organizations. Means those organizations whose main objective is to serve the society and its members and not to earn profit. These organizations are established as a charitable institution managed by trustees. Its examples are schools, colleges, societies for promotion of sports, arts, culture, and social welfare organizations. Now, what are the features of non profit organizations? These all are features of non profit organizations. We shall discuss all these features one by one. First one is entity. These organizations have separate legal entity from its promoters. It is based on the concept of business entity, which says that owner and business both are different. Next is purpose. Its main purpose is to serve society and its members. These organizations provide services either at no cost or minimal cost. Then funds. These organizations are not involved in any type of business activities. Then how do these organizations manage funds? These organizations rely on sources like donations, entrance fees, subscriptions, income from investment, financial assistance from the government, or legacies. Then is ownership. These organizations are established by some individuals or companies as charitable society or trust. So it is run by trust. It belongs to the society. Then management. These organizations are managed by individuals known as trustees or managing committee elected by its own members. What kind of financial statements are prepared by non-profit organizations? Its financial statements include receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Receipts and payment account sh- shows all cash and bank transactions that take place during the financial year. Then income and expenditure account is like a profit and loss account of business organizations, but it does not show any type of profit or loss. It shows surplus or deficit. Then balance sheet. Balance sheet includes assets, liabilities, capital, or general fund. That's all for today. Thank you.